our underbar bottle holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 12 inches. Depth, 29 inches. And a height of 33 inches. 6 levels to store your bottles, and each level will include 12 inches in length by 1.5 inches in height. 4 inches in depth. Each level will have a divider separating them to store your bottles. Coming to the left will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.